I need to get an oil change. So they are kind of cute. What's good, Stush Gang? Welcome back to another day of STUSHMAS. Today is STUSHMAS day 20. Y'all heard it in the back? Did y'all hear that in the back? It's STUSHMAS day 20. That means we only have 5 more days until Christmas, 5 more days of Vlogmas, 5 more days of STUSHMAS. But in today's video, I have a few errands that I need to run, and I figured I'd turn the camera on because that's what we've been doing and bring you guys along with me. So I need to get an oil change. I need to get my car washed, but I have a few things that I need to do. I was about to start telling y'all what I need to do before even letting you guys know what you need to do before we start this video. So let me run it back. Before we start this video off, if you haven't already, make sure you leave your girl a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe down below. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Stush Life, and make sure your post notifications turned on. So now that we got that out the way, I need to wash my car. I need to get an oil change. I need to return a pair of sneakers that I ordered because I low-key don't think I'm gonna wear them as much, so I might as well return them and get my money back. So I'm gonna do that. I also need to check my P.O. box because I haven't been there in a little while. So let me go downstairs and show you guys the sneakers that I actually want to return, because I need to find a UPS truck to drop those off to, because I didn't feel like paying $6 for them to come and pick it up. We're not gonna do that. I'll just find a truck, hand it to the driver like, here you go. So yeah, let me bring you guys downstairs and then we'll head out, because I want to start doing these errands before the sun goes down. It's currently like 3 o'clock. Need to get this video filmed, edited, and up for you guys hopefully by 9 o'clock. Hopefully. So let's get on the road. Before I head outside, I'm gonna show you guys the sneakers real quick. Flips cam. So this is the Nike box. Once we open it, let me make sure my address is not showing. Once we open it, this is what the sneakers look like. So they are kind of cute, but I just don't think I'm gonna wear them that much. These are, I believe, the Daybreak Golden Gal sneakers. That's what they look like. I don't like this part of the shoe right here. This part, the mesh color, it's not really a vibe. I like the gold, but I just thought it would have been a little bit more vibrant. I don't know, girl. I don't feel all that hot about this part right here, this color either. So I'm just gonna return those, get my money back. So I'm gonna actually package that to go out. Hopefully I see a USPS truck while I'm running errands, because I'm not paying $6 for them to come and pick it up. Put this back in here. You don't want one in your building? No. You don't want one in your building? Okay, guys, I'm in the car now. Car's not horrible. I do have a few water bottles all over, like everyone. I also have a few masks all over. Damn, I should have took some of this stuff out before I go get it clean. It's okay. I'll throw this away and I'll hold this in my hand. It's not terrible. And that's the box that I actually need to give to USPS. Hopefully we see one. And I've had this in my seat. I've had this in this cup holder for a little while now. I said I was gonna eat it one day for lunch, and I just never took it out the car. Maybe if my sugar is low one day, because you know it's just been working. My sugar is low one day, I'll have that to save me. But off we go. The first stop is going to be the post office, and then I'm gonna come back over on this side. Not like you guys know where I'm talking about. I'm gonna come back over on this side and we'll get the car washed and cleaned. Do I want to go to Target? Do I want to make bad decisions today? Ooh, turn that down, Rowdy. Currently at the post office, and when I say it took me entirely too long to get over here, like entirely too long, something is going on and they blocked off like 4 different roads. So I had to take a whole detour and I was kind of lost, but I made it. We here. So I'm gonna go inside and see if there's anything in there, and then we out. I think I want to go to Five Below now I think about it, because I have to take another way to get home since I can't take my regular route, and Five Below is over there. So I might go to Five Below and then car. So Look at the sun trying to set on us. Okay, so I'm now at 5 Below. I just need to go inside. Check my P.O. box. Nothing was inside, so that means no one returned anything. But that also means no one sent me anything. At least not to my P.O. box. I get a lot of packages, or I'm not gonna say a lot, but I get packages sometimes to my actual home address because not everyone delivers to a P.O. box. But there was nothing in there, so now let's go in 5 Below. I haven't been in here in a couple of months, so I'm excited to see what's inside, but I shouldn't really be buying anything for me. I'm gonna see if there are any cute little gifts inside, and maybe I'll see what they have inside that I could use. Believe it or not, I know y'all gonna believe it, I didn't buy anything for anybody. I just found some stuff for myself. They didn't really have stuff in there. Like, they had stuff, but the stuff that they had I don't really need as gifts. So yeah, I'll show you guys. Oh, I'm trying to click it. I'll show you guys what I got, of course, when I get home. I only got 2 shirts and some other like random stuff. So off to get this car washed and cleaned and oil changed before the sun goes down. Sun is rapidly setting. You see her? Yeah, she's rapidly setting. So let's do it. Why don't you move up, sir? So I'm at the place to get my oil change, and I love the light out here. I thought I was gonna have trouble trying to record for you guys, but yeah, I'm out here. But I want to do a giveaway in this video because it's STUSHMAS Day 20. We only got 5 more days. Will I keep that in? Yes. Yes, I will be keeping it in because it's a no judgment zone. It's a no judgment zone over here. You said no, we're not gonna wait. Okay, bye. I'm next in line. Hold tight. Please wait. Please hold. He said I'm not waiting. I can wait because I have nothing else to do and I really need an oil change. So I'm next in line. Thank you for leaving. But yeah, I want to do a giveaway. I was saying either Amazon, Sephora, Target, or a place of your choice that I could actually buy the gift card and, you know, send it to you via email. Brief intermission because they're doing this oil change right now. What'd you say? And they don't communicate. I don't like that. This is what happens when you don't know, guys. Hi. How are you?
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good. Oil change?
Yeah. I feel like I need to do this at home. There's just a lot going on.
Yeah, it's outside. See watch, right?
They're doing my oil change, so I'll update you guys about the giveaway when I get home because I did my research while I was sitting here waiting, but it's a little noisy in here, so I'll update y'all. Ciao. I came here for an oil change. They're telling me.
I got a 5 piece for you, yeah?
Oh yeah, thank you.
You don't take nothing.
Right. Ciao. I come here for an oil change. They tell me I need something engine clean, some other something. My total was supposed to be 52. It's 162 now. Okay. This is the season of Christmas gift buying. All right, Onyx. I guess this is your Christmas gift. Onyx is my car, by the way. I guess this is your Christmas gift, sis. Because we got to take care of you, too. You bring me to all of my events. You bring me to work. You bring me to play. Like, so we taking care of you today. But, child. Y'all see my glasses fogging out? When he said, come here, I got to show you something, I said, I can't do bad news right now. Please don't tell me it's bad news. And he started laughing. Which that meant he had bad news. It is what it is. You got to do what you got to do, right? Damage is done, but car's getting washed, and I guess we just gonna have to take a deep breath and keep it moving, right? Clean car, clean car, clean. Okay, oh, let me fix my angle. Ooh, we are back home and we interrupt this video to finally announce the giveaway. So I started to tell you guys about it when I was getting an oil change, but a lot was going on and I needed to sit down in silence to talk to you guys. So there is a giveaway in today's video. It is open to international viewers. Woo, woo, woo. So I'm going to be giving away a $50 gift card to one of the 3 retailers. First one being Target, second one being Sephora, third one is Amazon. So you can choose when you win which store you would like a gift card for, a $50 gift card for. So initially I said that you could do a gift card of your choice for the third option, but I think I'm just going to keep it to those 3 stores because it'll be a lot easier and I feel safe, you know, ordering gift cards through those sites. So to enter this giveaway, the only thing that you have to do is subscribe if you haven't already. You have to like this video. You have to comment something down below. So comment your favorite retailer. It doesn't matter which one it is. It could be clothes, food, it doesn't matter. And drop either your Instagram, your email, your Facebook, your MySpace, your AIM, your Uvu, something that way I can contact you. But you also need to contact me. You need to show proof that you commented and followed all the steps and send me either an email to my email, which is listed in my description box, or send it via DM on Instagram. If you have Twitter, you can send it via DM on Twitter too. My handles for Instagram and Twitter are the same. It's the Stush Life, okay? Same thing as my YouTube. So this giveaway will be open until Christmas Day. I will actually announce the winner for this giveaway in the finale for STUSHMAS 2021. So on Christmas Day in that vlog, I'll be announcing the winner. And that's really it. $50 gift card, I feel like that's it. You could buy a few things at Target for $50. You could buy a few things at Sephora, depending on what you buy, depending on how you spend your money, at Sephora for $50, and even Amazon for $50, okay? So yeah, that being said, let me go ahead and show you guys what I got from Five Below and update you guys. My total was actually $177 at the car shop. So but we got everything that we need to get done. I don't really have to worry about that until next year around this time, so it's fine. So I'm walking to my kitchen. Y'all hold up. Not the greatest angle, but I'll show you guys what I got. Got this squishy toy. I could not leave it. It's kind of cute. Like, I feel like it looks ugly on camera, but when I tell y'all these are so squishy, I saw these in a bin and I was like, why don't I have this? Like, it's addictive. Just squishing it is so addictive. So I'm gonna put it on my bed. I was looking for a cow, but there weren't any cows, and when I looked on Amazon, they were like $30, and I paid $5.55 for this at Five Below. So no. I also got this shower cap that I low-key want to return because it's not a vibe. I took it out the plastic. I'm gonna use it because I need a shower cap, but the outside is satin lined, the inside is plastic. I low-key wish it was the other way around. Can I? And I got 2 shirts. The first one was this one. It says, what does it say? Real hustle, no days off, and that's on period. That's what's been going on all December, to be honest. So got this shirt. You know, the shirt's $5. And I also got this shirt because I'm obsessed with, you can't even see it because the lighting in my kitchen is yellow. Hate that for us. But I'm obsessed with sharks. There's a shark right here. So I got a shark shirt. I love this. I really need to get some more sneakers with blue in them. That's all I got from Five Below. That's all I got from Five Below. That's all I got from Five Below. I'm about to make something to eat from Trader Joe's. I'm about to show you that real quick. Let me run and grab it. Making this Thai shrimp, spicy Thai shrimp fried rice. This rice is so good. That's the oven. That means it's time for the chicken wings. But I'm making this, and I'm also making it with this hot and spicy, with these hot and spicy chicken wings. Also from Trader Joe's. Clearly, I like spicy food. So yeah, I'm about to just make this real quick. I don't feel like doing nothing crazy. I know I said, well, I wanted to do a cooking video for you guys, but to be honest, when I get home, I just need something quick, fast, and in a hurry so I can edit, put up a video, and prep myself for bed, because I wake up very early to go to work, and I need to go to sleep very early to wake up the next day to go to work. So maybe in 2022. I'm about to make this and eat. So that only means that it's time to end this video, because I need to edit this and put it up by hopefully 9 o'clock. It's 6:22 now. Let's see what we could do. Okay, back to the couch. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope every single one that watched this video enters the giveaway. You can enter if you reside outside of the United States and if you reside inside of the United States. But I will say, double check and make sure that the 3 of the stores ship to your country if you are entering and you reside outside of the United States, just because I want to make sure that you can actually use the gift card. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to leave a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram at the Stush Life. Turn on your post notifications because we have 4 more days after today of STUSHMAS. So make sure you guys are here up until the very end. Love you guys again. Thank you guys so much for watching. And with that being said, I'll see you guys all tomorrow.